true pleasure to have you here, taking this precious time for yourself. As we begin, let's set an intention for our time together, to cultivate a deep sense of inner clarity, to strengthen our emotional resilience, and to anchor ourselves fully in the present moment. Take a moment to settle in, finding a comfortable position. Let your shoulders soften, your jaw relax. Now gently close your eyes if that feels right for you, or simply lower your gaze. Let's take a few slow, deep breaths together. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your chest and belly gently rise. And then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you might be holding. Again, a slow, full breath in, drawing in peace and calm, and a long, gentle breath out, letting go of anything that no longer serves you. One more time. Breathe in fully and breathe out completely, feeling yourself settling deeper into this moment, becoming fully present. In moments of challenge, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the world around us, but true strength often lies within. Marcus Aurelius wisely advised, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This profound insight reminds us that while we cannot always control what happens to us, we always have a choice in how we react. When stress builds or worries cloud our thoughts, it's often because we're focusing on things beyond our influence. Shifting our attention inward to our perspective and our response allows us to reclaim a sense of peace and stability. It's about building an inner sanctuary, a quiet place within where external chaos cannot touch. Let's take a gentle breath now, breathing in the quiet power of your inner world. And as you exhale, release any urge to control what lies outside your grasp. Now let's consider another profound truth from Marcus Aurelius. Constantly contemplate the whole of time and the whole of substance, and realize that every single thing in relation to the whole is a mere atom. This powerful reflection encourages us to see the bigger picture, acknowledging that everything around us, and even within us, is constantly flowing and changing. When we resist change, whether it's the end of a situation, a new phase of life, or even an uncomfortable feeling, we often create our own suffering. True peace emerges when we gently release our grip on how we think things should be, and instead surrender to how they are. It's about letting life unfold with a sense of quiet acceptance, trusting its natural rhythm. Take a slow breath, and as you exhale, imagine gently releasing any resistance you might be holding on to, letting go of attachment to outcomes or expectations. Now, let's consider a deeply insightful quote from Marcus Aurelius. If you are pained by any external thing, it is not the thing that disturbs you, but your own judgment about it, and it is in your power to wipe out this judgment now. This powerful wisdom reminds us that our suffering often comes not from events themselves, but from how we choose to interpret them. When we feel overwhelmed or upset, it's often because we've layered judgments, worries, or negative stories onto what is simply happening. By recognizing that we have the power to step back from these immediate reactions, we can prevent a neutral situation from spiraling into intense emotional pain. Take a gentle breath, and as you exhale, simply observe any thoughts or feelings arising without judgment, without adding to them. Just notice them and let them be. Now let's turn our attention to how we live day by day. Marcus Aurelius wisely advised, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." This profound wisdom encourages us to move beyond simply thinking about our values and instead to truly embody them in our actions. When we feel a sense of unease or uncertainty about our path, aligning our daily choices with what genuinely matters to us, whether it's kindness, honesty, or courage, can bring a deep sense of purpose and inner strength. It's about showing up authentically in the small moments, just as much as in the big ones. Take a gentle, intentional breath now. As you inhale, feel yourself drawing in clarity about your own deepest values. And as you slowly exhale, let any hesitation or doubt soften, allowing a renewed sense of purpose to settle within you. Let us now consider the preciousness of this very moment. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, "Do not disturb yourself by picturing your whole life. Let your thoughts be content with the present moment." How often do we find our minds wandering to what was, replaying old scenes, or fretting about what is yet to come? This can pull us away from the only place where life truly happens, the here and now. Releasing the weight of past regrets and the cloud of future anxieties creates space for true peace and clarity. Gently bring your awareness back to the sensation of your breath, noticing the air as it enters and leaves your body. This breath is happening only now. Allow yourself to simply be here, fully present, fully alive in this very moment. Let's consider a profound truth about our connection to one another. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, we are all made for cooperation, like feet, like hands, like eyelids, like the rows of upper and lower teeth. To act against one another, then, is contrary to nature. This beautiful thought invites us to see ourselves not as isolated beings, but as part of a larger, interconnected whole. When we extend understanding and compassion, not just to others, but also to ourselves, we find a deep well of peace and resilience. It reminds us that our shared humanity is a source of strength, not division. Take a moment now to silently acknowledge someone or something you feel grateful for, allowing that feeling of connection to gently expand within you. As we gently conclude our time together, remember the power you hold within. You've explored how your perception shapes your experience and how focusing on what's within your control can bring profound peace. And you've felt the quiet strength that comes from embracing life's natural flow and connecting with our shared humanity. This clarity and calm are not fleeting. They are always accessible to you, a quiet anchor within your very being. You can carry this feeling of grounded resilience and inner peace into every moment of your day. Let's take one last deep, full breath together, inhaling peace and exhaling anything that no longer serves you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this calm and awareness with you as you move forward.